again. I am Mr. Scientist. I am back again to the board. Now, if you get this kind of problem or you're facing this kind of problem, 1 all upon 3 plus 6 all upon 8 times 3 all upon 4 minus 1 all upon 4. Mind you, yeah, this problem we get brackets. Now, we can start for simplify this problem. Mind you, if you know for say maybe the time need to allow we follow we will complete for solve this problem. You want get the ending of it, you follow the next video. So you follow the video, so you go to see the next video, so we will complete this. Maybe. Now, if we don't solve this because of time, I make I said earlier, if we don't solve this, you get any question for ask. Any solution you see difficult. How comes we get 8? How comes we get 4? How comes we get this? That you didn't like, then you comment, you ask question, how comes we get this? How comes how manage do so. So I will reply you soon as possible. Now, love you. Continue. Now if you get now this problem for solve we first solve this brackets. Now we get 6 all upon 8 times 3 all upon 4. So what will they do? They find the common number for 6 and the common factor for 4. Now, what is the common factor for these two numbers? Is 2. So 2 into 4, 2 times 2 into 6 is 3 times. So we collect 3 all upon 8 times 3 all upon 2. So what will they do? We multiply them. 3 times 3 is 9. Then all upon 2 times 8 times 2 is 16. Now what will they do? They consider this 4. So forget about this minus 1 all upon 4. Now we consider this 1 all upon 3 plus. Now we add the sign here plus 1 all upon 3. Now what will they do? Find the LCM. Yes, we find the LCM for this fraction. So the LCM is 3 times 16. Because 3 cannot go into 16. 3 can go into 16, but there is a remainder 1. So we multiply 3 times 16. It gives us 48. 48. Now, we said 3 into 48. How many times? Is 16 times. Plus this one, we have 17. Plus, now 16 into 48 is 3 times. Plus this 9 is 11 times. So, we say 17 plus 11 is 28. All upon what? 40. Now, this number is so big. So what are we going to do? We break it down. So how are we going to break it down? We consider 2. 2 into 48 is how many times? Is 24 times. Now 2 into 28 is how many times? Is 14 times. So we say now 14 all upon 24. 14 all upon 24. Now we bring this other problem minus 1 all upon 4. Now what are we going to do? We find our LCM. We find our LCM line. This is our LCM line for this 24 and 4. So what is our LCM number? Our LCM number is supposed to be 24 because why? Those 4 can go into 24 without a remainder. So we take 24. Now 24 into 24, how many times? 1 times plus this 14 is 15 times. Is 15. Is 15 minus. Now 4 into 24. How many times? 4 into 24 is 6 times. Plus this one is 7. So now we say 15 minus 7 is how many? Is 8 times. Yes, 15 minus 7 is 8. Now 24, we write here 24. So now we have 8 all upon 24. This will be our answer, but you can even able to break it down to the lowest level. So how are you going to break it down to the lowest level? Now you consider about this 8. Now this you consider, or this our answer, or you say 8 all upon 24. You divide both by 24. Now by 8, sorry, that is 8. 8 into itself 1 times, 8 into 24 is 3 times. You can say 1 all upon 3. This is your answer again. So any question you ask by comment, by giving comments, so I will reply you soon as possible.